Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito using an easy method. First, grab about 10 fresh mint leaves, 2 lime wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. Now, gently muddle them together for about 10 to 15 seconds. This action helps to release the aromatic oils from the mint and the juice from the lime, creating a flavorful base for your drink. Next, it's time to add the star of the show, the rum. Carefully pour 2 ounces of your favorite white rum directly into the glass with the muddled mint and lime. After that, fill your glass to the very top with crushed ice. Crushed ice is ideal for a mojito as it chills the drink quickly and evenly. Give everything a good stir to ensure all the flavors are thoroughly mixed. Now for the finishing touch. Top off your glass with about 4 to 5 ounces of chilled club soda. This adds a delightful fizz and lightens the drink. For a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of aroma, gently clap a fresh mint sprig between your hands before placing it in the glass. You can also add an extra lime wedge to the rim. Your refreshing mojito is almost ready. And there you have it. Your perfectly crafted, easy-to-make mojito is ready to be enjoyed. Take a moment to appreciate the vibrant colors and the refreshing aroma before taking your first sip. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick treat or for impressing friends. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness or tartness to your personal preference. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other fantastic deals we've found for you. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.